Have you ever wondered what it would be like to stumble upon a doorway that could change your entire life in a single day? Imagine walking through a portal that opens up a world of endless possibility, where everything you've ever dreamed of is within reach. Sounds like something out of a fantasy novel, right? But what if I told you that this idea isn't just fiction? Welcome to our deep dive into the concept of the one-day gateway, a notion that's captured imaginations far and wide. In today's video, we're going to explore what this mysterious gateway represents and how it could be the key to unlocking your greatest potential. Picture this, a portal that gives you access to a day when the usual rules don't apply. A day where you can rewrite your story, change your path, or even reconnect with the part of yourself you thought was lost. Intrigued? You should be, because this idea isn't just about wishful thinking, it's about being ready for that life-changing moment when it arrives. We'll be sharing stories of people who've encountered their own one-day gateway and how it turned their lives around in the most unexpected ways. But here's the kicker. These opportunities don't come with a big neon sign saying, "Hey, your gateway is open." No, it's all about being prepared to grab that moment when it presents itself. So, as we explore this fascinating concept, keep your mind wide open, because your gateway might just be closer than you think. Understanding the one-day gateway. So, what exactly is this one-day gateway? Well, think of it as a moment in time where reality takes a back seat and all the what-ifs come to life. It's a mix of philosophical musing and a sprinkle of speculative fiction. A portal that offers you a chance to experience life in a completely different light. Maybe you get to revisit a crucial decision, or perhaps you're offered a sneak peek into an alternate version of your life. The possibilities are endless, but the question is, are you ready to step through and embrace what's on the other side? Let's face it, life doesn't always give us do-overs, but this gateway, it's like a cosmic reset button. Imagine having the opportunity to confront your biggest fear or finally chase that wild dream you've been putting off. The one-day gateway isn't just a fun idea, it's a challenge to rethink how we approach time, choices, and the infinite opportunities that could be right in front of us. But before you go searching for this mystical portal, ask yourself, if it opened for you today, would you be ready? It's not just about wanting change, it's about being prepared for it. So, as we unpack this idea, let's think about how this gateway could catalyze our personal growth. Who knows, it might just inspire you to take that leap you've been hesitating on. A glimpse into history and imagination. Portals have always fascinated us. Look at mythology and science fiction. From ancient stories of gateways to other worlds, to modern-day tales of time travel, these ideas have always sparked our curiosity. Think of the Greek myth of the river Styx, which acts as a portal to the afterlife, or Yggdrasil, the Norse world tree that connects different realms. These stories didn't just entertain, they made us think about what might be possible if we could only find that one portal. And let's remember the power of science fiction. Remember the wardrobe in the Chronicles of Narnia, or the stargates that whisk people away to other galaxies? These stories blur the lines between reality and fantasy, showing us that maybe, just maybe, there's more to this world than meets the eye. They plant the seed of possibility in our minds and make us wonder, what if such a gateway existed in real life? These tales aren't just about stepping into another world. They're about stepping into a new version of yourself. So what can we learn from these stories? How can they help us be braver, more open to change, and more willing to take the plunge when that portal finally appears? Stick with us as we explore how these age-old narratives shape our understanding of the one-day gateway and what it could mean for each of us. Spotting the gateway. Now, how do you know when your one-day gateway is about to swing wide open? Well, it's not like the movies where a giant vortex suddenly appears in the sky. No, the signs are much subtler. You might notice strange coincidences, like when things seem to fall perfectly into place. Or maybe you get that gut feeling telling you something big is about to happen. The trick is to stay alert and pay attention to the little things. Have you ever had a day where everything feels just a bit too connected? Like you run into an old friend who happens to offer you the perfect opportunity, or you stumble upon something that reignites a long-lost passion. These are the signs that hint your gateway is near. It's like the universe giving you a little nudge saying, hey, pay attention, something big is coming. But here's the thing, you've got to trust your instincts. Your intuition is like your personal GPS, guiding you toward the right choices when that gateway appears. So keep your eyes peeled, stay curious, and be ready to act. Because when that moment comes, you'll want to be the one who's prepared to step through and seize whatever awaits on the other side. Getting ready for the gateway. All right, let's talk about getting ready. The last thing you want is for the gateway to open and find yourself scrambling to figure out what to do. One of the best ways to prepare is to get your mind in the right place. Start by practicing mindfulness. It's all about being present and aware of what's happening around you. A clear mind will help you notice the signs when they show up. Journaling is another great tool. Write down your thoughts, dreams, and goals. It's a simple way to keep track of what you really want in life. And who knows, when the gateway opens, everything you've written down starts to align perfectly. Remember to have a plan. It doesn't have to be a detailed blueprint, but having some goals and a sense of direction can make all the difference. Whether it's brushing up on a skill, connecting with like-minded people, or just being open to new experiences, the key is to be ready to take action when the time comes. We want to hear from you. How are you getting ready for your own one-day gateway? Drop your tips and experiences in the comments below. By sharing, we can all help each other be better prepared for whatever opportunities lie ahead. What happens when you step through? So, the big moment arrives, the gateway opens, and you step through. What happens next? Well, that's where things get really exciting. Imagine finding yourself in a situation where all your dreams suddenly seem possible. Maybe you meet someone who changes your perspective, or you discover a hidden talent you never knew you had. The experiences could be life-altering. You may find yourself facing a challenge that you've been avoiding for years. This could be your chance to overcome it finally. Or you're given the opportunity to pursue a passion that you've kept on the back burner for far too long. The key is to be open to whatever comes your way, even if it's not exactly what you expected. Of course, with great possibilities come great uncertainties. Things might not always go as planned, and that's okay. Being adaptable and willing to roll with the punches can help you navigate any surprises that pop up. The important thing is to keep moving forward no matter what. As you prepare for that gateway to open, keep these scenarios in mind. Embrace the unknown and be ready to take full advantage of whatever comes your way. Who knows? That one day could end up being the day that changes everything. Real life lessons from the gateway. The one-day gateway isn't just some abstract concept. It's a powerful metaphor for the opportunities we encounter every day. Think about it. Life often throws us unexpected chances that can lead to incredible changes. Maybe it's a job offer that comes out of nowhere, or a chance meeting that turns into a lifelong friendship. These are our real-life gateways, and the question is, are we ready to walk through them? Take a moment to reflect on your own life. Have you ever taken a leap of faith that paid off in ways you never imagined? Maybe you said yes to something that scared you, and it turned out to be the best decision you ever made. These moments remind us that life is full of hidden gateway opportunities waiting for us to be brave enough to step through. The trick is to recognize these opportunities when they appear. It's easy to let fear or doubt hold us back, but those who dare to take that step often find themselves on a path they never expected. So as you move forward in your journey, keep an eye out for those gateways in your life. When the moment comes, don't hesitate. Take the leap and see where it leads you. Wrapping it up, as we come to the end of our journey through the one-day gateway, let's take a moment to recap what we've explored. This concept is more than just a whimsical idea. It's a powerful reminder that life is full of unexpected opportunities. We've looked at how ancient myths and modern sci-fi have shaped our understanding of portals, and we've discussed the subtle signs that might indicate when your gateway is about to open. Most importantly, we've talked about the importance of being prepared, whether it's through mindfulness, goal setting, or just staying open to new experiences. Getting ready for that gateway could be the key to unlocking your full potential. So as you go about your daily life, keep these lessons in mind. You never know when your one-day gateway might appear. Before we go, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the idea of the one-day gateway? Have you ever experienced a moment in your life that felt like stepping through a portal to a new reality? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. If you find this video inspiring, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get all the updates. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your eyes peeled for those gateways. They might change your life.